Okay, boys and girls, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Just Shake or Stir and the mini Christmas session just before Christmas with a quick ideas to wrap up something special for your festive season, week, days, whatever you're doing, whatever you're celebrating, alright? However you're doing it. So I did already 3 cocktails. If you miss any of them, make sure you check out. But today we're gonna do something for everybody who loves rum. Because we've not done rum, we've done bourbon, we've done gin, we've done cognac or brandy. Today we're doing rum. So today we're gonna prepare, or I'm gonna show you how to prepare a Christmas daiquiri. Yes, simple as that, keeping the core of the classic daiquiri, but with few twists to make it festive. So if you're ready, wrap up the sleeves, get the rum, and let's make the Christmas daiquiri. Okay, I'm wrapped up today in my hoodie because it's a little bit chilly in my bar, and that makes me think about, you know, summer, nice daiquiris on the beach, but we can't do that at the moment because I can't fly anywhere, or in UK it's not really warm, even in the summer. So I'm gonna do a daiquiri which kind of gonna match the season. Of course it's based on rum, so before I show you the rum, or actually let me just show you. I'm using the Spytail Ginger Rum, and I know that many of you won't be able to get this rum wherever you live. Okay, it's a French rum, really nice. It's infused with ginger. It's a fantastic for this time of the year. However, you can use any spice rum you like. Okay, that's the beauty of this recipe. You can change it to your liking. Use dark rum, use Jamaican, use spice, use whatever you want. Because the next ingredients, it's important. So we're gonna use Velvet Falernum to bring a little bit of spice and sweetness to the mix. Then I'm gonna use my winter spice syrup, which I use for my One Hot Ginger video. So make sure you check this one, and the recipe is there, how to prepare this syrup. And of course, we're gonna have fresh lime juice and a cranberry juice. So keeping the core of the daiquiri, but with few changes to make it festive. So if you're ready, let's shake this beauty, okay? It's gonna be shaken. So we're gonna start in our big tin. I always grab the small one first. Don't know what's wrong with me. And we're gonna start with a fairly good amount of rum. This is gonna be proper Christmas celebration, okay? So we're doing 60 ml or 2 ounces. Yeah. 1 daiquiri, going bad, maybe 2, I don't know, depends how much you can handle. Then we have the Velvet Falernum. So this is gonna be 15 ml or a half ounce. Okay. Same with the syrup. Everything is 15 ml now and half ounce. So simple, okay? So we have, if you don't have this winter spice syrup, or if you don't want to make it, okay, you can just use simple syrup. Next on the list, we have a 15 ml of the cranberry juice. And finally, a 15 ml or a half ounce of the freshly squeezed lime juice, or a previously squeezed lime juice, whatever you decide. Now, one ingredient I didn't mention in the beginning, it's up to you if you want to use it, but to make it festive, really festive, we need a little bit of kind of a, you know, citrusy flavor inside. And to combine this and to balance all the sweetness, the tart, the citrusy inside, we're gonna use a few dashes of orange bitter. As I say, you don't need to use it if you don't want a bitter or you don't have it. It's not gonna make any change of the cocktail, but it's very important the quality of the falernum you're using, and obviously depends what kind of rum you're gonna get a final result different all the time. Okay, some ice. We're gonna give it a good shake, not much, but we have to mix these ingredients nicely. And of course, finally we're gonna serve. So give it a quick shake And when I'm shaking, don't forget, my friends, if you're new to the channel, click this subscribe button and the small notification bell so you don't miss videos. And if you like what you see, of course, show some love, leave a comment, start a conversation, ask questions, whatever you desire, okay? Don't be shy. So around 10 seconds shaking, all right? Ooh, beautiful. Every drop, we need every drop. Oh, smells fantastic already. Grab your favorite cup glass and double strain. Okay, so I need my fine sieve here. And there we go. Our Christmas Daiquiri. It's look fantastic. To garnish, optional again, but because it's Christmas Daiquiri and we're going festive, just float 1 star anise on the top to give this anise kind of a smell to the nose when you're drinking and to combine everything together. It's a perfect garnish. Just float it on the top and there you have it. The Christmas Daiquiri to transport you somewhere on the beach but still celebrating Christmas in style. Cheers! Boy, that's delicious. I hope you're gonna make this winter spice syrup, yeah? Check the one hot ginger video. The recipe is there. It's a big difference. I say you can use simple syrup, but if you do this with a ginger hint inside, with the cinnamon, with the cloves, with the cayenne pepper, pinch inside, nutmeg, this brings so much festivity to this daiquiri. So yeah, a Christmas Spice Daiquiri, that's how I'm gonna call it, not just Christmas, a Christmas Spice Daiquiri. And this is it. Tomorrow I'm gonna bring one last cocktail for Christmas and then we're just gonna celebrate. But until then, as always, I love you and I leave you. Bye bye.